Welcome to First Union Lending. My name is Krizia, and today we're talking about cleaning services business loans. What are they and why should you apply for one? Owning a cleaning service business can take a lot of hard work, a large amount of passion, patience, and excellent customer service. Business owners within this line of work are experts in creating a spotless environment for their clients. It can be a lucrative business depending on the economy and expertise of the cleaners. Cleaning services business loans are industry-specific loans offered by traditional and non-traditional lenders to support a range of business needs. Business owners utilize these loans to order necessary equipment and supplies, purchase commercial vehicles, hire staff, and more. The best solution for those who need quick funding is to gain access to necessary funds through a loan. Business owners should apply for loans that offer low interest rates, down payments, and collateral requirements. Here are the more widely used loans to help cleaning services businesses. SBA loans. Most businesses opt in for an SBA 7A loan. With it, you can access up to $5 million in working capital for 25 years with an APR of 5 to 9%. Business lines of credit. Like a credit card for a consumer, a merchant can pull funds from the line and deposit them in their bank account. Equipment financing. This financing option is used to purchase necessary business equipment, such as office supplies and medical equipment. Long-term business loans. These loans provide borrowers with a lump sum of funds with a repayment plan of regular intervals of 3 to 5 years. Short-term business loans. These provide a lump sum upfront to a borrower and have a repayment period ranging from 3 months to 2 years. Merchant cash advances. This funding method was made for businesses whose revenue comes primarily from credit and debit card sales, such as restaurants or retail shops. There are plenty of advantages to utilizing a cleaning services business loan. These loans and financing options are intended for businesses within this niche to expand and ultimately acquire new customers to be successful. Here are some of the advantages of cleaning services business loans and financing. Gain access to working capital needed to maintain day-to-day operations. Receive the funds needed to purchase and upgrade equipment. Renovate your existing location or utilize the funds to acquire a second location. Improve your cash flow by consolidating existing debt into a low monthly payment. Utilize funds with little to no lender restrictions. The funds provided are received as lump sums in your business bank account. Improve your marketing and advertising endeavors to acquire new customers. At First Union Lending, our funding specialists are ready on standby to help determine your qualifications and walk you through the application process to receive funds as soon as possible. While each of the available loans have varying qualifications, lenders will typically ask for the following general information: business operations history, business revenue statements, personal and business credit scores, and collateral if needed. Once we've received your information, reviewed your application, and approved the loan, your business bank account will receive funds in a matter of days. Once deposited, you have free rein to use the funds to help enhance your business. Utilizing out-of-pocket funds can be expensive. Look to a lender to finance your initiatives and keep your business running. First Union Lending provides funds to businesses run by passionate owners who enjoy providing excellent services, spotless environments, and a welcoming personality to their clients daily. We are ready to help cleaning services businesses attain the necessary funds to succeed. First Union Lending offers numerous financing programs designed with small businesses in mind. Our business loans are fast and flexible, with financing options ranging from $5,000 to $2 million. We have the funds to help. Call today to learn more about our various financing solutions to help your business grow and become successful.